can we add the functionality to reset a value daily in SwiftUI? So this is probably the last complicated part of the settings page in my app, and there's a couple ways of doing this, and I tried to do some research on the best and easiest way to implement it in SwiftUI, and what I came up with is a method that uses user defaults, and you can't really use app storage specifically in this example, and I'm going to try to explain the logic as best I can. So the first thing I need to do is in my view model, I'm going to add a needs reset function, which is going to return a Boolean value, and this basically means that when the function is called, it's going to return either true or false. And besides that, I'm going to add a reset values function as well. Then in my home screen view, what I'm going to do is add a .onAppear on top of my entire tab view. And inside this is code that's basically going to execute every time somebody opens my app, or even if they have the app running in the background and they come back to it, the code should still execute. And so what I'm going to add inside of this is if vm.needsReset, then vm.resetValues. And basically, if you think about this conceptually, the needs reset basically just tells us if we need to reset the values or not, and the reset values function will reset those values. So it's really simple logic if both of those functions work properly. Happy coding!